In this video, I will show you how to generate unlimited Seedance videos using two methods. Okay, first one will be in mobile. So let me just head over to the mobile. So first of all, head over to Play Store. And if you're an iPhone user, you can just head over to App Store. Okay, search for Tinker, Tinker, Tinker by Shopify. Click on install. Now, once it is installed, open the app. The app interface will look something like this. Now click on sign in. So you have to create a new account. Just click on continue with email. It will ask for an email address. Now for this, head over to Google Chrome and search for temp mail. Okay, click on the first link and you'll get a temporary email address. Just copy it. Okay, it's loading. Just copy it, come here and click on paste. Continue. It will send an OTP. We'll come here and we'll see if there's an, yeah, as you can see, there's a OTP. Just click on it. The OTP is 755934. I come here and I click on 755934. 1 second. 755934. Click next. Once the code is confirmed, you have logged in. Scroll downwards and you will see all of this. So this is the interface. What we are looking for is Seedance video generator. Okay, click on use. Now obviously you can provide reference videos, reference photos also, and in additional settings you can ask it to generate audio, and in the duration you can set between 4 to 6 seconds. I am choosing 6 seconds. Also you can set aspect ratio. I am choosing 9:16. You can choose any of these which you want. 16:9, 9:16, anything. Let me choose 9:16. Okay, and audio is on, and like let me just write my prompt. This is simple prompt. Let me just type ultra realistic. Now I've clicked on the screen tick. Okay. Now you have to slide this slide to generate. Let me just slide it. Now as you can see, the generation has started. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, as you can see, this is like it says, please wait. While you wait, it's processing. Now as you can see, the video has been generated. Let me show it to you. Let me just click here. Okay, as you can see, the video has been generated. Let me just show it to you. Just a second. This is 6-second video. This will be the length. Okay, now you can create more temporary emails and keep making videos. You can make a couple of videos every day from each temporary email, and so like just keep changing the email and you can keep generating the videos you want. Additionally, in Seedance video generator, you can also place your photos and provide a reference video also as per your requirement, and then you can generate the video. Okay, so as you can see, the video limit has been reached, resets on August 2, 2026. Okay, in the meanwhile, you can use a different temporary email. Okay, let me move on to the next platform from where you can generate videos. I'll be using PC. Okay, so this will be the second part of the video where you can generate Seedance 2 videos using your laptop or PC. So for this, you need a VPN. You can download any free VPN like Windscribe or any paid VPN if you have it. I'm using Surfshark for this video, and click on United Kingdom. Okay, you can use Singapore, you can use, but not United States. Okay, so I'm using United Kingdom for the purpose of this video. Let me just set it to United Kingdom. The VPN has been set. Let me just search Dola AI. So as you can see, here's Dola AI. Let me right click on it and open it in new tab. this is the interface that will open up in front of you. Okay, now just let me accept the policies and let me just sign up. Okay, you have to sign up to on this website. Just click on login. Once you click login, it will ask you to continue with Google or a QR code. Okay, it can also ask you to use Facebook, Apple, mobile number. I'll just choose continue with Google. It will ask for my email. Just let me sign up. It will ask me for a date of birth. Just fill your date of birth. Okay, and just click on next. Now this is the interface that will open up in front of you. Now here you can choose like you have to click on create video, and then it will ask for reference image. You can provide reference image if you have one, and the duration 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and the ratio. Let me choose 9:16. And models you have Seedance 1 and Seedance 2. We'll be using Seedance 2 fast, obviously. Now let me just paste my prompt. Just a simple prompt. You can make prompts using ChatGPT, Claude, etc. And just let me click on this arrow mark. Sometimes it may show system error. You have to keep trying once or twice. It will go through. As you can see, the chat has gone through. Now the Dola AI will just analyze your request. Now it is saying the video will be generated using Dreamer Seedance 2.0 model. It will use 2 points and will be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I'll send it to you when it's done. You still have 2 points left for today. Automatically, it will just the chat will renew and your generated video will come up here. I'll show you the generated video as soon as it is provided to me. Now, as you can see, the video has been generated. Let me play it for you. It obviously has the Dolo AI watermark, which obviously you can remove from any website, watermark removing website. Okay, so each of these accounts, like Dola AI accounts, gives you 2 videos per day per account. So obviously you can have multiple Gmail accounts, and from, like, let's say you have 5 Gmail accounts. From those 5 Gmail accounts, uh, you can generate like 2 videos per day. So that is like 10 videos each per day using just Zolo AI. And obviously the Tinker app in your mobile, you can use that to generate 1 video with temporary mail address. So like that, you can easily generate 3 to 400 videos per month of Seedance videos, right? So this is very good. Even with paid models, you cannot do something like this. I do hope you have liked this video. So please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And one more thing. Let me just show you how to download this video. Just click on save and this video will be downloaded. Thank you.